Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple fall decor DIYs using budget-friendly items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to.
For the first DIY, I started off by staining the 3 wood crates and I let them dry at least for 30 to 40 minutes.
Was out waiting for something, and if I close my
Once they were done drying, I'm going to be putting them together with some hot glue.
was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been
As you can tell, I had already placed the floral foam. Now I'm gonna be adding some greenery I got from Walmart. I always prefer to use Walmart greenery and floral since I think it looks a little bit more realistic than the one from Dollar Tree. But of course, you could use anything you have in hand.
yeah. I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotion. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close.
I'm going to be painting the first jar with some ivory chalk paint. I had already placed the ivory chalk paint in a little container, and I'm going to be mixing some brown paint with the ivory so I can make a light brown color, and that's going to be for the second jar.
It's all been a waste of time. You waste my time.
Now I'm going to be adding this green color onto the same mixture. So now it's going to be the ivory, the brown, and the green.
In this trashy bar, another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Now I'm going to be adding some red and orange onto the paint mix.
The music on the dance floor, I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special.
I was really going for some neutral colors. That way I could use the mason jars all year long and I could just change the floral or greenery to it.
bunch of times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line.
For the last and final DIY, I am repurposing this glass jar, and I'm just going to be painting it with the same mix of paint I did in the previous DIY.
So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Now I'm just adding some leftover stems I had.
Even if I told.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. I also wanted to mention how thankful I am for all your well wishes. I am doing so much better every day, and I just feel so grateful, and I just wanted to thank you guys. And with all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day, and God bless.
When you're next to me. Everything makes total sense.